welcome back to the Freakin' Jeep and Toys Garage. Thanks for joining me on this episode. As you can see behind me, the garage door, we are in the shop, and we're going to do some exhaust work, and we will be doing a little bit of tuning, and if we have some time, we're going to do some boring stuff like some new tires. So we're going to get this Jeep in, get it up, and hopefully you guys like this and give me a thumbs up. And you're going to follow along, and if you have any questions, you're going to leave a comment down below for me to answer, and we're going to have a little bit of fun, I hope. So let's get this thing up in the air, and I will meet you underneath. Okay, this is the exhaust that we will be putting back on. Comes in 3 pieces. What we're going to do is remove this. As you can see, I've got this thing in the air. We can see this exhaust system here has got a couple of really fat spots in it. You see that right there? Right there. We want to get rid of those because they're causing a problem. Codes and all kinds of stuff. What we'll be putting in is this one, which doesn't have all those fat spots in it. Don't have to worry about this one being plugged up for a while. Alright, got some of the sound deadening skid plate type stuff out of the way. I'm going to have to probably there's some nuts here, some studs. I'm probably going to have to cut those off. They're all rusted. And then I'll have to get way up front here, go up, and there's a band clamp I got to loosen up. I'll probably fight with that, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, we got this all taken out. See, right up to where the band clamp is. All moved all the way to the back half of the exhaust. Now we're going to start putting these parts in. Okay, we've got that new replacement pipe in there. Down, had to trim it to fit, but goes up in there. Come on, camera, focus. Alright, try this again. Here we go. Down, and it goes all the way up to that band clamp. Had to trim to fit. Got this middle pipe here to fit. Run all along, attaching to the old exhaust from the last video. Alright, this is what we're going to be using. Easy Link from EcoDiesel USA. Simple plug-in. Like that. I'm going to turn the key on. Oh. Okay. Now we're going to take the phone. Connect it. It actually goes pretty quick too. We're already up to almost 70%. we're done with this, we will switch over and put the transmission tune in. Turn it off. Continue. Back to run. It says let's go. Start right up. Now we're going to put the transmission tune in. These usually go a little faster. This is using the Easy Link system from EcoDiesel USA. Kind of a short video. I didn't really show much of the taking the exhaust out and putting back in. It's pretty straightforward. You got to do a little hack in here, a little whack in there, and pull it down. The hardest part is getting to that band clamp I showed you earlier. I ended up having to loosen up the front suspension a little bit so I get my arm up in there to be able to work, because when they replaced the engine, they put it in backwards and facing a direction I couldn't get to. So it wasn't too bad, just added some time. But I got it out, got the new exhaust in, got it all fitted, had to cut, that much out of the middle pipe, got it all put back in, and as you can hear, or as you saw in the video, it sounds pretty good. We'll do a couple of drive-bys for you, and yeah, this is the eBay exhaust that we did a year ago. Make sure you take a look in our video in our video library here, and you can see the installation of that. Is it a good kit? It was cheap. I ended up having to cut the bumper cover. I wasn't too crazy about that, but that bumper cover needs to be replaced. I do have some shiny new tips that came with the exhaust in the last video, because I put bigger ones on that Jeep. We have some leftovers that we'll probably put on. We'll get rid of this quad exhaust probably and put just dual banks polished tips on to make it look nice. But that'll be another video. That'll be another day, because we're out of time for today. It's time to go home and eat some supper, get cleaned up, and relax. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave me questions. We talked about the tuning. I used EcoDiesel USA. We had asked EcoDiesel of Canada if they wanted to work with us, and they denied a couple of requests. Here might not be legal in your part of the world, so use it as your discretion. That is my view on that. It's not my fault if you get in trouble. I'm giving you the warning. So with that in mind, we're going to wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and take a look at the other videos, and make sure you watch upcoming videos. We're going to be putting out more as time comes on. We hope to see you back. Thanks. Bye. Right here. Come on, camera. Autofocus.